everyone, I'm Sarah Jasmine Perdono.
I am Erica Embacera.
I'm Prince Lawrence El Suanino.
I'm Christian Dan J. Pato.
Resurrection John.
This is our presentation for AP7 Big Challenge.
And this is
Step by step by AP7.
we have Arduino Uno, processor, temperature sensor, and 5 sensor, jumper cable, and
Bit to bit.
okay, let's start.
First step,
Insert the buzzer in Arduino Uno. Second, the
temperature sensor. Third step, connect temperature by jumper cable to Arduino Uno.
in pin number 8. Second,
Jumper
insert
cable.
to ground. Third, insert the jumper cable male to male to Arduino Uno and insert to pin number 0. And insert the jumper cable to ground.
Ground. Lastly, connect jumper cable to 5 volts. This is AP7.
And then this is the resource code of Project 7 alarm. Int LM35 is equal to 0, then semicolon, pin where the LM35 sensor is connected. Then int buzzer pin is equal to 9, semicolon, where the buzzer is connected. Pin where the buzzer is connected. Then float temperature and the semicolon, where the variable to store the temperature. Then int threshold temp 27 and the semicolon, where the temperature threshold is in Celsius. And for the void setup, close open parenthesis and then open curly bracket. Inside is pin mode, close open parenthesis, buzzer pin, comma, output, and then semicolon. Set the buzzer pin as an output. Then serial.begin, close open parenthesis, inside is 9600, and then semicolon, where the serial communication for debugging. And then close curly bracket. And for the void loop, close open parenthesis and then open curly bracket, where inside is read the temperature from the LM35 sensor. Int sensor value is equal to analog read. Close open parenthesis, inside is LM35 pin and then semicolon, where the analog value can read 0 to 1023 temperature. And then temperature is equal to sensor value multiplied by 5.0 multiplied by 100.0 and then divided by 1024, then semicolon is a convert to Celsius. And then this is the serial dot print, where you can print if the temperature exceeds the threshold. Serial dot print temperature semicolon, serial dot print temperature semicolon, serial dot print degrees Celsius and the semicolon. And for the if else, close open parenthesis, inside is temperature greater than threshold temp, then curly open bracket, inside is digital write, close open parenthesis, buzzer pin, comma, and then high, and then semicolon, where the buzzer is on, and then close curly bracket. For else, curly open bracket, then digital write, close open parenthesis, inside is buzzer pin, then comma and low, then in the outside is semicolon, where the buzzer is off. And for the delay is 1000 or 1 second before the next reading.
This is the output of our AP7 Arduino Project 7, the temperature alarm. So as we can see here on our codes, we have the temperature monitoring. It's based on 27 degrees. So when the temperature reach the level of 27 degree, it's automatically alarm the buzzer. So when it's 26 below, it's kinda turn off the buzzer.
First step, put 2 LED on Adreno Uno. Second step, put 20R to Adreno Uno. Third step, put 2 jumper wire cable to ground. Lastly, put pin 13, 12 to Adreno Uno. This is AP7 with challenge.
This is the source code of AP7 challenge. First, we need to define pins. So, int LM35 is equals to A0, pin where the LM35 sensor is connected. Then, the next one is int buzzer pin is equals to 9, where pin where the buzzer is connected. Then, flow temperature, variable to store the temperature. Then, int threshold temp is equals to 30, temperature threshold in Celsius. Then, for lead, int red pin is equals to 13, pin where the lead red pin is connected. Then, int yellow pin is equals to 12, where lead pin is connected. Then next one, void setup. For the void setup, we just need to declare pin mode, then open parenthesis buzzer pin comma output, and close parenthesis and semicolon. Means set the buzzer pin as an output. Then the serial dot begin is open and close parenthesis 9600 and semicolon. This means begin serial communication for debugging. And set lead pin as an output too. So pin mode is open and close parenthesis red pin comma output. Then next is pin mode yellow pin and yellow pin comma output. The next one is void loop. For void loop, we have here the int sensor value is equals to analog grid, open and close parenthesis LM35 pin. So for the void loop, we have here read the temperature from the LM35 sensor. So here, read the analog value to 0 to 1023 here. Then the temperature is equals to sensor value times 5.0 times 100.0, then close parenthesis divided by 1024 semicolon. Convert to Celsius. Then next is serial dot print in. Then open and close parenthesis, then quotation mark, and we will just put there is temperature. Then serial dot print in temperature also. Then serial dot print in quotation marks degree Celsius. Then next one is check if temperature exceeds the threshold. So we will use the if else statement. So for if close and open parenthesis and temperature threshold temp. So we just write here digital write close and open parenthesis buzzer pin is equals comma high means turn buzzer on. Then digital write yellow pin comma low means the yellow LED is off. Then digital write red pin comma high means that the red LED is on. So for else statement is digital write buzzer pin is low means the buzzer is off. Then the digital write yellow pin comma high is means that the buzzer the LED pin yellow is on. Then digital write red pin low means that the red pin or the LED red is off. Then delay open and close parenthesis 1000, wait for 1 second.
Okay, so after compiling and uploading your codes, this is the output of the AP7 Arduino Project 7, the temperature alarm with challenge. Alright, so on the challenge we put a buzzer. So every time the temperature reach the level of 27, and it kinda alarm the red light, same with the buzzer. But when the temperature is reading only 26 to lower, 26 below degrees, the yellow LED turns on. Alright, so when we put a high temperature on the temperature sensor,